Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 12.2 question number 2. This is part 7 of Heron's formula maths series. Okay, so let us solve the question. Okay, so question is find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB and the values are given. So let us quickly write down the values over here. So AB is 3 centimeter. So AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. Okay, then we have CD equals to 4 centimeter. Then we have DA equals to 5 centimeter. Also we have AC given as 5 centimeter. So all the values are given. Now we, as you can see, it's a quadrilateral basically. Okay, so first we are going to solve the green part and then the red part, and then we are going to add both the parts and we'll get the total area. Okay, so that is what our approach is going to be. So let us solve. For triangle ABC, I'm solving ABC. Okay, so let me give a value. A equals to, let's say, 3 centimeter, B equals to 4 centimeter, C equals to 5 centimeter. So semi perimeter is what? A plus B plus C by 2. Therefore S equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. So that is 5 plus 12 by 2, and that is going to be 6 centimeter. So S equals to 6 centimeter. Now we are going to apply the Heron's formula over here. So applying Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC equals to under root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C equals to, what is this? 6 minus 3, 6B is 4 and C is 5. So 6 into 3 into 2 into 1, so that is going to be 36, and 36 we know is 6 centimeter square. As we are finding area, so centimeter square हो जाएगा. Area of triangle ABC. So we'll highlight this. In a similar way, let us find ACD, the red part. Okay, ACD. So let us calculate the semi perimeter here. So before that we need to mention which triangle we are working on. For triangle ACD, A equals to 5 centimeter, B equals to 4 centimeter and C equals to 5 centimeter. Therefore S equals to A plus B plus C by 2 equals to 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, and that is going to be 14 by 2 and 7 centimeter. Therefore S equals to 7. Now applying Heron's formula, area of triangle ACD, S equals to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Heron's formula, equals to that is 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4 and 7 minus 5. So that is going to be 7 into 2 into 3 into 2 equals to 7 to the 14, 14, and then we have 6 over here. So it is not going to be a perfect. As you can see, it is not going to be the perfect square 74. So there is no option but to take 7, 3 and 2 square. So it will be 2 under root of 21. So we'll keep it like that. And if the value of root 21 is given, then you can apply, otherwise centimeter square. Okay, so this is going to be area of triangle ACD. If in question value of root 21 is given, that is root 21 is 4.6, I guess. Yeah, 4.6. okay, if it is given, then only we are going to calculate, otherwise no need. 4.6. so instead of root 21, you can put this value, then multiply it with 2, and that is going to be the answer. Okay, but you can keep it like this also, because in question it is not given. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. So this is 6 centimeter square, and this is 2 root 21 centimeter square. So this is going to be centimeter square. So this is your final answer. So you can write down area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to 6 plus 2 root 21 centimeter square. So this is your final statement, and this is your answer.